In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox on your mobile. So first of all, what you'll need to do is open up your Play Store. Once you open up Play Store, as you can see, you will be on this page here, and now you need to search for Roblox. If you search for Roblox, as you can see, it will be listed there on the search, or you can click on the search icon and then you will see it at the top of your page. If you click on Roblox, it will bring you over to the game page here, and you can click on the install button there at the top, and then all you simply need to do is simply wait for this to install on your mobile device. Once it has installed on your device, you should get an icon for Roblox on your home page, but what Samsung do is they will put it into your game launcher. So if you open up game launcher now, as you can see, Roblox is right there, and you can click on Roblox then to open it up. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and download Roblox on your mobile device, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.